What's up guys, Thiago here. Welcome back, or welcome. And if it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the Mifo Sport. Something different today. So, as you guys know, I love my Mifos. These ones, in my opinion, are one of the best ones at this price range. So you can swim with them, you can run, you can do everything with them. So I love them. They go with me everywhere. Now, Mifo has launched these ones. And it's a bit different. It's like, you know guys, like we have the bone conduction ones that you go over your ears and is to the vibrations on your bones that you are able to hear them. So Mifo's got something that's not quite like that. This is a band, goes over your head, and the sound is projected down, so you are able to hear them. So, but the thing is, everyone around you will be able to. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you all about them, everything, price, specs, you name it. And in the end, I'll tell you if they are good enough or not. So here they are. It's a band, as you guys can see. It goes over your head. I need to be careful because you're going to mess up my hair. But it's something like that. And the sound comes from the two speakers that each side has and goes on your ears. So guys, let's go and start with the price. Starting with the price like always, the Mifo Sport Band has a price tag of £99 in UK. And for the US, the price tag is $99. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. In the box, you have the manual, and this time is a big one. The charger, that is USB-A in one side, and the other side have 4 pins. Would be better if it was Type-C, in my opinion. You have 3 sized headbands. They're elastic and good quality in my opinion. And the headphones. Let's look at the headphones next. So, they are made of rubber, and it feels really good on your hands, and in your head, of course. On the left, we have a speaker and one mic. On the right, the on and off button. That is also a function button. On top, the volume buttons, and at the bottom, another speaker and another mic. Let's see the specs next. So, you have Bluetooth 5.3, built-in mics, 16mm dynamic coils, fast charging, IP67, so it's dust resistant and completely waterproof. Last one is not a spec, but they had the Red Dot Award 2021 for this band, for protecting the eyes from sweat and for solving the problem of the earphones easily fell off the ears. Next, we're going to put the band on. I must admit, it's not the easy thing to do, but keep in mind that the speakers need to face down, and then on the edges you just slide the band, the metallic bit, and that's it. It should be okay. Next, please be the judge on the mic quality, inside and outside. So this is the sound of the Sportset, Mifo Sportset, inside of the house. It's no noises around, so it's a quiet ambience. So this is how the sound will be if you got a phone call inside of the house. Like always, we're going to go outside and do the exact same test, but outside with wind and cold. England, welcome. So yeah, let's go outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of Mifo's Sport Band outside. It's a little bit windy, and this is how it sounds if you got a phone call outside. Let's carry on with the review. Right guys, so I got the band now. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but I'll bring the microphone down so you guys can hear the sound. Right, guys, so yeah, it's comfortable, it's quite comfortable, and it helps with the sweat. It doesn't go on over your eyes. You are able to hear everything around it because it don't have anything inside your ears. So yeah, it works quite well. So you're gonna be able to run and do your exercises, your workouts, and talk with someone else next to you. I like the idea. Sound quality. It's not a lot to talk about sound quality. There is no bass at all, and this doesn't go inside of your ears. So let's forget about the sound quality. This is made for you to do sports, for your workouts, and to keep your mind occupied, and it works. So I will say the sound quality is okay. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the Mifo Sportset. If you find any value on this review, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it all around with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. With this said, Tiago here, wishing you a great day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.